Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. Tweet, 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 they call and call. One named Jack, the other named Jill. Flap, 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 they fly at will. Up in the sky so bright and blue. Chirp, 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 they sing to you. Wings spread wide, soaring so high. Peep, 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 they touch the sky. Two little dicky birds come back home. Tweet, 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 no more to roam. Nest all cozy, safe and sweet. Flap, 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 till next they meet. Tweet, 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 flap, flap, flap. Little birds are fun, and that's a wrap.